People are going, welcome back to my channel. So we are having Satan a fight with his wife over one mackerel bone type of weather in my area. It is so confusing. The sun is shining brightly, I mean brightly, and the rain is falling. I mean falling like flood. You understand? It is so annoying. You understand? Jesus. Anyway, people, Qatar is hosting an invitational tournament over there in Austria, and Reggae Boys, they were invited. So they played their first match today, 10 o'clock Jamaican time. Now, I didn't watch the match, but I heard the result. So they played Morocco, and Morocco given Jamaica 3-0, or as we love to say in Jamaica, 3-love. So, like I said, I did not watch a match. I haven't even seen a footage of the match, so I cannot give commentary about the match as the ball possession and all of them something there. But I know that I will watch a match later and analyze it for myself. You understand? So Reggae Boys will play, I think, Austria next. They're in a tournament now, so you know they have some more sites to play or some more team to play. And then September 7th, they will be in New York playing Argentina. So if you're in that area, you can go and support the Reggae Boys. They need our support. You understand? Yeah, man. It will not be the first time they're playing Argentina. They played Argentina before, and the result is Argentina 1, Jamaica 0. All right, so that is that. So Jamaican track and field legend Usain Bolt, you know, he retired from athletics in 2017 at the World Championships in London, and he's an 8-time gold medalist, Olympic gold medalist, and he's also the record holder for 100-meter of 9.58 seconds and the 200-meter world record of 19.19 seconds. So that makes him the fastest man in history. Now, that signature pose he do after winning a race, he is trademarking that pose, right? Yes, man. So everybody don't know, say I Usain Bolt pose that. Yes, so he said he's gonna use the image on clothing, jewelry, shoes, and restaurants as well. I thought he would have trademarked it before, but somebody was telling me that he tried doing it some years ago, about 12 years ago, and they're not sure what happens. Anyway, he moved to trademark it this time, and it seems as if it's gonna happen. So that pose will be the Usain Bolt pose. Nobody else can use it. You understand? Put it on their thing or so forth. So he filed for his trademark application in this month, 17th of August. So that's basically it. Okay, so Andrew Hudson, the new kid on the block. Welcome to the team, man. You know, youth. I saw in an interview after you won the 200-meter race over there in the Bahamas. You know, he's the champion in the 200-meter at NACAF, right? He's a NACAF 200-meter champion. That was the senior championships that took place over there in the Bahamas last week. Okay, he was in the 200-meter and he won it. So he's the NACAF champion, 200-meter champion. And I saw an interview he did after the race, and he looked so defeated as to the negative comments that he is getting. You know, you understand. And I say to you, do not allow those comments to get you down. You have a lot of fans in Jamaica. A lot of those fans are not using social media, so you won't see the good things they said about you. But just know that you have a lot of fans in Jamaica. You understand? You are eligible to represent Jamaica. Your father is a Jamaican, so that makes you eligible to represent Jamaica under the Jamaican law. So I want you to always remember that. So he will be at the Lausanne Diamond League in the 200 meter. You understand? Meters, 200 meters. Me always a eat off the S. No worry yourself. Me know say a meters. Okay? Yeah, man. So he's gonna go out against some Americans and Lines and however that pronounced Noah and the 19-year-old teenager, as well as the Trinidadian Jareem Richards. Andrew Hudson will be at the Lausanne Diamond League in the 200 meter, so you will see it. You will see him if you haven't seen him before. Yes, man. So welcome to the team, Andrew. Yes, welcome to the team, man.